Hi, friends, and welcome to another day of math with Miss Allen. Today, I have a story to tell you. It's about your teachers. And I want us to talk about this story, and I want us to think of the ways we can use math to help us understand this story. Once upon a time, Miss Allen, Mrs. DeWert, Mr. Boland, Miss Dritz, Mrs. Houseladden, and Miss Ronigan had a dinner party. It was the best time ever. We had so much fun. We ate broccoli, which is Miss Allen's favorite food. We ate chicken. Well, some of us ate chicken. Me and Miss Ronigan don't really like chicken. Some of us ate chicken. And for dessert, we had big pieces of chocolate cake. Yum. I have some questions, though, about our story. I want you to take a peek at this picture and just think in your brain. How many girls were at the table? Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 5 girls at the table. How many boys were at the table? 1. Just Mr. Boland. So there were 5 girls plus 1 boy. How many friends were at this table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there were 6 girls plus 1 boy. So there were 6 friends all together. Cool. How many forks were on this table? Let's see right here. These are the forks. They look kind of pointy. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were 6 forks. How many spoons were on the table? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were 6 spoons. How many eating utensils were there? A utensil is a fancy word for something you eat your food with. So let's add the 6 forks plus the 6 spoons to see how many utensils we had all together. Ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, there were 12 eating utensils at the table. Pretty interesting. We sat at this table with 6 people and 12 eating utensils. We ate that broccoli and that chicken and that chocolate cake, and it made us even happier. Now that we had food in our bellies, we were ready to be the best teachers that we could be. Thanks for listening to my first story. I have a second story for you. Once upon a time, I went to visit my dad and my stepmom in Wisconsin, and we had a little slumber party where I spent the night there. Here's me in my little nightgown that I like to wear, my little bare feet. I usually sleep with my hair in a ponytail. Good morning. And I walked out to our kitchen, and on the counter, there were some bananas. Let's count how many bananas there were. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bananas. So I decided I would eat a banana. There were 4 to start with, and I ate 1. How many bananas were there now? 1, 2, 3. Now there's only 3 bananas left. Oof. Let's see here. The people who were at the house were me. I already ate my banana, so I'm extra happy. And there was my dad. He's hungry for a banana. And my stepmom was there. She's hungry for a banana. Oh, my dad has hair. He has spiky hair. My stepmom has long brown hair. And we have a dog, and sometimes we like to feed our dog bananas. Bing. And my grandma was also there, so I'll draw my grandma. She has curly hair. And there was my grandma's husband. He has kind of shaggy hair. Now, since I already ate my banana, my tummy is nice and full. I'm really, really happy. I'm a full gal. Now, are there enough bananas for the rest of my family to have one? There's 1, 2, 3 bananas, but I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 family members to feed. Are there enough bananas? No. Maybe Charlie doesn't want a banana today. And maybe my dad doesn't want a banana today. Now, are there enough bananas for the friends who want a banana? There's 1, 2, 3 bananas and 1, 2, 3 of my family members who also want a banana. There's the perfect amount of bananas for my family. We love bananas. So friends, when you're telling stories or when you are living your life at home or in the classroom with mom and dad, with Miss Allen, Miss Ronigan, with your teacher, I want you to be thinking of the ways that you can use math to help you solve problems or to help you tell stories. We're going to switch gears a little bit and we're going to get started on our math workbook page. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy today. The first thing you're going to do is write your name. It's always the same thing right away. Now, we've done something like this before, so it should look familiar to you. You're going to look at this number and only circle the groups that have that many in it. So I'll do this first one with you. This number is 6. Let's count the first group of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it equals this number, you're going to go ahead and circle it. Let's try the next one, this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does that equal 6? Nope, you're going to put a nice big X. Let's count this third group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does this group equal 6? Sure does. Give it a circle. Last group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does this group equal 6? Nope, not quite. I want you to circle the groups of 7. X out the groups that are not 7. Circle the groups that are 8. X out the groups that are not 8. Do the same for 9 and 10. When you're done, you're going to flip it over. On the back, you're using your erasable pencil to draw the dots to match the number. So I'm going to draw this many dots. I can draw them however I want. I think today I'm just going to draw them in a straight line. So I'm drawing 6. Ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to go back and double check. I'm trying to make 6 dots. Let's see if I did it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome, I sure did. Let's try this next one together as well. I'm trying to make 7 dots. Count along with me. Make sure I do it the right way. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Let's see here. Let's go back and double check because I started counting a little crazy down on this side. So I just want to make sure I made 7 dots. Ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo! I thought my crazy counting would have thrown me off, but thank goodness it did not. I want you to draw 8 dots. and then 9 dots, and then 10 dots. Awesome. When you're done drawing all those dots, you can move on to your seesaw activity. Good work today.